We have an event that's coming up on People Power Weekend.
Yeah.
Ano siya? Regatta po siya. So, sailboat race. And we're happy to announce that we have many sponsors that are helping us out. Kasama na dyan si DZGB. Thank you very much, DZGB, for being our media partner. Is it okay, Sir Henry, if I take this opportunity to mention our sponsor?
Sure po, sure. Please do.
Okay. So without these certain groups and companies and individuals, the Goose Nationals, which is a big deal because it's Philippine-wide the scope. We have guests coming in from all the way from Subic, Batangas, and Iguaman Kuta na taga Butuan. Kaya lang alam mo na yung kalagayan ng Butuan. They're still bouncing back from yung nangyari. So we want to thank the Department of Tourism. They've been supportive ever since the beginning. They've sponsored us and they've helped with many things. We want to thank the city government of Legazpi, most especially Mayor Noel E. Rosal, who has been supportive from the very beginning of my program of bringing in sailboats to our communities, and the provincial government of Albay for showing support in our initiative. The initiative is by Albay Yacht Club and Philippine Home Builders Yacht Club, headed by Roy Espiritu. We also have Taal Lake Yacht Club, who are our guests. There are 20 boats on the yard. This as per last count, adding to the 11 boats that we have with Albay Yacht Club. So, Sir Henry, ito po magiging largest one design sailing event in the history of the Philippines. And the organizers, they planned it along with the long weekend. Tanganing at least may event during the memorial of EDSA.
Opo.
And then we have our sponsors are Crest, the Very Old Captain, Subic Sailing, Toyota Albay is also a sponsor, Proxy, Hyde Sails, Legazpi Oceanfront Hostel, Hotel Centro, RRCG, DCTV, Guapa, sorry.
Yeah, okay lang po.
We also have IHC, CPI, Demiland, Power Build, AC, Boysen, AI Aluminum, Icons, Architectural, Fusion Trading, CT Andres, Coco Lumber, Modern Oriental Home Depot, Pama Surveying and Construction Office, BAM Construction, Duamon Construction, SIAC Builders and Supply, GTI Construction Engineering. Yan, thank you. The program, Mapuon yan sa Mayor's Night. So si Mayor and si Ma'am Pita Pacres ng City Tourism Office have been very generous. They're sponsoring Mayor's Night sa Sawangan Park.
Okay.
So that registration will happen
Friday night
at 5
po yun,
p.m.
Councilor, Friday night po siya. Friday night. Okay, go ahead.
So, registration will happen at 5 p.m. for mga guests, invited guests sa Sawangan Park. Si Mayor will sponsor dinner, typical Mayor's Night, para ma-highlight yung kagayunan ng Sawangan Park sa mga bisita. And then may date na program, kaunan. And then at 8 p.m. after the Mayor's Night program, where Mayor will give a inspirational speech, and RD Herbie will also be able to give a talk about the beauties and yung kagayunan ng Region 5. There will be a skipper's briefing po, Manay Henry. So yung mga skipper, bibigyan sila ng final instructions for the 9 races na magaganap Saturday and Sunday.
Opo. Anong oras po ang competition proper? Aabangan inikan sa tuyang mga kababayan na gusto maghiling kaya na competition ayan po board councilor.
Yes po. So ang venue is perfect kasi along the boulevard po yan eh. So pwede tayo mag-enjoy ng araw kainin na event na walang problema sa distancing. So anywhere from yung bagong International Cruise Port Terminal site hanggang siguro dun sa may mga Legazpi marker, pwede mag-spectate. And Mapuon siya ng 8 a.m. Depende sa weather.
Opo.
Hopefully on the first day, we can have as many as 5 to 6 races. Kung kaya tapusin lahat, hindi naman siguro kaya.
So pag 8 a.m.
tapusin
po,
lahat on the first day.
Yeah.
First
26.
day ng races is Saturday po.
26. First day.
26.
26.
Yes.
So pwede siyang mag-start ng 8 a.m. ang competition proper. Kasi we're planning to set up a gadget for the Facebook Live. For the Facebook
nice.
Live. That's why I am asking you regarding yung first round of competition para po ma-catch up kaagad ng ating team, di ba? Para makita kaagad na doon sa Facebook yung unang hagod ng competition natin. So, as early as 8 o'clock, pwede na po attorney, councilor?
Yes, 8 o'clock. So, ang po yan is the races are 1 hour each, halos 1 hour each.
Okay.
And then the most exciting part of the race, Henry, is the start. So, yung start, magpo-position na yung mga boats. 31 boats yan eh. So talagang mapapano yung area ng Puro Beach. And then may 5-minute warning yan, 5 minutes tataas na yung mga layag. So if you set up a drone on top of the starting line and then you do a live feed, grabe, magayon nun talaga.
Yes. Maganda.
Dalhin nyo lahat ng mga camera and then magkakaroon ng 4 minutes, then 1 minute, then go. Tapos all of the boats will start to converge towards the starting.
Wow.
Opo, ang term kasi na regatta, that's used for any boat race. So,
I see. Okay.
Pwede siyang sagwan, pwede siyang motor. But hindi siya exclusive sa sailing. So anytime that there's a race, may So ini po
actually yung isang sponsor po namin di magamit councilor kay ano man na machine para magdalaga ng bangka. It should be purely layag or manual.
Layag. Opo, yung layag yung makina namin. So
ayun, very good.
In fact, one of our sponsors, si Crest, they have races all over the Philippines. Sila supplier ng power tools and equipment. So ang nila is yung maliliit na bangka, kakaganida ng 15 horsepower na engine. And yun, ang apod ninda is Bangkarera. And they have little championships all around the Philippines. And then magko-culminate yan into a huge national championship. Magaganap yan in I think June or July. Ang initial venue was Sorsogon. Pero parang because nakita nila yung boating community natin. Pigko-consider ninda na gibuhon sa Legazpi po. Ining sa first time na igwa kitang sailing race. But yung club kasi nagpuon kasi yung Albay Yacht Club and ng mga Goose. 2020 pa nagrally po ako kay Roy na espiritu of Philippine Home Builders Yacht Club. And then from my sailing experience kasi, Sir Henry, is competitive sailor ako for like 10 years. So, naging crew member ako sa isang sailboat. And then medyo na-miss ko siya. And naging busy sa pagiging ama, and husband, and sa work. So naghapot ako doon sa mga dati kong boss doon sa race team. Ang sabi nila, kaulayan mo si Roy Espiritu. Kasi si Roy has events where they make these boats, the Goose class, which is not so expensive, mga 50,000 pesos per kit. And then pwede mong gibuhon sa bahay.
Yeah.
So what I did, I started seeking support financial. Si Mayor nag-support financial. And then we had 8 other members that came in to support, either on a private manner, or sila naging beneficiary ng tabang ni Mayor. Plus ako. Like we have boats that are owned by Padang, owned by Dapdap, and owned by Barangay Puro.
Apa.
Tapos nagsama man si Councilor Alvarizo. So ang pigapod niya sa boat niya is Buraguis. And then nagsama man si Vice Mayor Bobby Cristobal. So minsan nangapod namin sa boat niya is Rawis. So naging parang facility po siya for for the residents of the barangay. Para bang basketball court.
Yeah.
Pero ito boat na pwede nilang gamiton, and then igwang mga benefits na naiinime, like yung mga jóvenes nagiging nagkakaroon sila ng leadership skills. And then responsibility, kasi you have to take care of the boat eh. If you're not able to take care of the boat, malalapak yan. So meron silang madaming positive aspects sa program na to. And then nag-culminate because nakita ng Osgoose community na active kita ng Maray. They granted our request to host nationals. Actually, every Sunday po, Manay Henry, igwa kitang every one Sunday of the month, igwa kitang race, digdi local races.
Yeah.
So, but this one is going to be very exciting this weekend kasi national event na po. Thank you po, DZGB. Thank you for being our partners as always. We're very appreciative of the support. Sa gabos po ng mga parantabay and listeners, I know you have a wide range of listeners. Manay Henry, ikaw ang number 1. Sa 26 and 27, kindly join us on the boulevard to enjoy the races. This is a national event. We will have sailboats lining up along the boulevard as early as the evening of the 25th para ma-admire ng mga tao. And then 26 umaga, yan yung start ng mga races. We'll have 9 races po. So 25, 26, 27, sana pwede po kamo mag-apit sa boulevard. Nanganing maugmama ng mga sponsor without whom hindi maano.
Sana din magkuran Pero yan, rain or shine po tabi kagawad, pwede. Walang problema.
Yes, rain or shine, but preferably po no rain kasi ang sailing is dependent on the weather.
Yeah, wala sa paros.
Pag may uran and ali siya sa may rapo-rapo side, ang tendency is nabablock yung wind kang uran. So magiging maluya yung paros. And then minsan pag may turbonada, sobrang lakas naman ng ulan.
Sobra naman yun. Baka igilid ang bangka sa kwan diyan sa sa boulevard.
Opo. So we need to monitor the weather all the time very very closely. Pag yung conditions is no wind, hindi matutuloy yung race.
Yeah.
Pag yung conditions is too much wind, hindi rin matutuloy yung race.
Ganon din.
But ang sailor always prepared yan.
Yes.
Laging prepared for whatever.
Yes.